Award-winning Assam filmmaker Reema Das, who has just received an invite from the Academy of Motion Pictures Arts and Sciences to be their member, spoke to exclusively to Onita Moja from her Mumbai home about what the invitation means to her, her plans and expectations from the Academy, the organization that awards the Oscars, and her role at the Academy. Let's listen in.
Reema Das, welcome to Northeast Live and a very big congratulations to you. Another laurel, in another feather in your cap, or should I say another jewel on your crown. How is the feeling?
Thank you. I feel great. I feel actually honored and quite overwhelmed. Yes.
Yeah. Now what happens? What kind of responsibilities? What does this entire invitation mean? I believe the invitation is to you to as part of the in the director category.
Yes, it is. Director's category. Right.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm getting couple of mails. I'm filling some forms and we will be able to vote for the films nominated for Oscars. And apart from that, also I will be able to take parts in their various programs, learning programs, studies, research, and also they have some fun for filmmakers. So I'm looking forward to, explore more and more. For me, I will be, it will be more, learning. I'm again saying learning and no. Already I explore, I go to film festivals and I have been following also Oscar films. So,
Yes.
yes, so it will be, it will start a conversation for me, especially.
Right.
It is, and when I was in Berlin or Tallinn Black Nights, also Mumbai Film Festival and other few places as a jury member. So it is a very interesting discussions happen. And also last year at Asia Pacific Screen Awards in Australia, I was also a jury member. So when you are having that kind of space and you are meeting people, they are coming from different background, different countries, and they have a profound knowledge about films. I am not coming from film school, so more or less I'm always observing life and bringing them to life on screen. And also mostly I'm watching more and more movies, but this kind of platform, it really important, and it can I can get a lot, from the people around. And because someone coming from Europe and they have a very vast knowledge, because from they have that, and I got the news, and then I was in Assam, traveling, lot of things happening suddenly. Uh, people are wishing, sending their love, and so I need some time to understand the whole thing.
Okay. So, what are you working on now? I mean, you must be already, your hands must be full.
Right now, I have been working in this film. It's a Village Rockstars sequel. It's called Village Rockstars Echoing Tales. And I have been working in this film last 3.5 years. I started 2020, and the edit is going on. It's, and I'm hopeful, like uh, soon I'll finish it. And also, I did a film in Melbourne. It was a part of anthology, four directors from India. We all shot in Mumbai with Imtiaz Ali, Kabir Khan, and Onir. So we are also looking forward to that film, and it will open on August in Melbourne Indian Film Festival. So mostly, and also writing. I writing and going to shoot something very soon.
So, will we see Rima Das doing some international project, something out of Hollywood maybe?
I really don't know yet, but I would love to do different kind of genres. I'd like to challenge myself, explore more and more, different, stories and languages also. It's not because that's what I would love to do. Yes. Thank you.
Yes,
It's
Rima
lovely
Das,
talking to
thank you.
you. My pleasure.
Likewise, it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much and wishing you the very best for all your upcoming projects. And congratulations one
Thank
more time.
you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And thanks
Thank
to
you.
everyone who are wishing me and supporting me. And I love you all. Thank you.